and they call that puppy love. Oh, I guess just never know how our young heart really feels, and why I love her so. And they call that puppy love, just because we're 17. They all appreciate and it is fair to take away my only dream. I cry each night, tears for you. My tears are all in vain. Oh, I hope and I hope that maybe someday you'll be back in my arms once again. Someone help me, help me, help me breathe. Is this answer up above? How can I, oh how can I tell them? Oh, this is not puppy love. Someone help me. Help me breathe. Is this answer up above? How can I, oh how can I tell them this is not puppy love?